Toastmaster Divya, Paramin 2.0. Paramin 2.0, Toastmaster Divya.
How many of you have watched the Netflix documentary Social Dilemma? Please type your responses in the chat box. Yeah. And how many of you who have seen the documentary have actually gone ahead and uninstalled Facebook or Instagram or Twitter? No one, right? Same here. All those who have seen the documentary would know that all these tech giants have made us scapegoats of big businesses. But social media still holds a lot of importance for all of us, whether we are individuals or for organizations. And hence, today I would like to present some of the public relations strategies which I have been trying to use for my family business, which is Paramin. I hope you all can see my screen. Firstly, I would like to begin by giving you all a background of our family business. Paramin Advertising and Marketing Associates was established in the year 1983 by my father and mother, and hence it's completing 37 years already. And we'll be soon celebrating the 38th foundation day in December. We provide 360-degree communication services. That is, we provide services to our clients, whether it is print, TV, radio, digital, and we also provide a lot of BTL activities or below the line activities, such as hoardings, events, exhibitions, and so on and so forth. We have a large clientele, which comprises public sector enterprises such as Life Insurance Corporation, Indian Oil Corporation, government departments, such as the Maharashtra State Electricity Board, banks such as Indian Bank, Canara Bank, educational institutes, and even political parties such as the Nationalist Congress Party. We also have a vast geographical presence, and we have associates working for us across the length and breadth of the country. So you would ask, what is the need for this Paramin 2.0 today? Firstly, there have been certain factors which have driven the need for public relations strategies which need to rebrand the firm, which are as follows. With the advent of technology, the importance of press has reduced a lot. And historically, our focus was mainly on print media, such as newspapers and magazines. And now, additionally, with the impact of COVID, people have started reducing reading newspapers and people prefer to read it online or their phones or other devices. The another reason is, though we have been focusing on a lot of public sector and government clients, we feel there is a need to tap the private sector businesses as well and get some clients out of there. The other point is, we would actually like to acquire certain smaller digital agencies which have expertise in those fields so that we can work together and service our clients across various additional platforms as well. And the other reason is, though our firm has been active for 37 years, our own digital and social media presence has been very limited. And hence, with this, I have put together the following plan of action, or the following as the PR strategy for my family business. Firstly, we need to update our website. The number of years of service, the number of clients that we serve, the team, all of that is still outdated and has not been, it does not reflect all the clients that we serve till date. And hence that is the first step. The next step is we need to start showcasing all our work and our creative work. For example, this is an ad which we had created for the Indian Bank, and we released this again this year to show that this is one of the creatives that we had presented for the Indian Bank. This is one ad that we had created for the General Insurance Corporation. And this is again something which we re-released on our social platforms. This is something which we did for the Ministry of Tribal Affairs as well. And similar to these, we need to showcase a lot of other ads and work that we have done so that we can showcase our strength to our clients. The other idea that I have is I wish to create a CEO Speaks podcast or videos, which I can put on our YouTube channel. That my father, he has a lot of experience over the last 37 years, and he can share some of the important learnings or some of his stories for the benefit of all of us. The next point is we have some employees with us who have been working with us for the last over 25 years. We need to celebrate them and reward them, and we can showcase their achievements. The next is to celebrate the upcoming 38th Foundation Day. And we can plan a series of events to create excitement amongst our clients as well as our employees. The next is, though we have had a lot of clients, we have never actually gone out to them and asked them to give us a written testimonial. And this is something which I plan to do and showcase this on our social media platforms. Another thing is to celebrate important days, such as International Translation Day, or as I have already shown, Gandhi Jayanti, and we can show what all works we have done on those particular days and also celebrate these days. And the other important point is to highlight the tie-ups with our partners. We have tied up with big ad agencies such as the Dentsu Aegis Network. And we can say that if there are certain projects which can be done together, we can jointly bid for those projects and work together. With this, I cannot end my speech without giving a marketing pitch for my own firm. I know many of you all at MTM and some of our guests work at important corporate organizations. If your business has any advertising or communication need, please feel free to reach out to me. We are at your service today. Thank you. Over to you, Deepanshi.